Okay. So what I have thought is I will be forwarding you these XAMLs, okay? So that it would be easier for you to
Okay.
do some
Okay.
processing. I mean, you run from your end and just see how it works and try to create some workflows, whatever homework that we have. Can you hear me now?
Okay.
Whatever homework that I gave you last class, I just want you to
Okay.
finish them. And then we will start with our web
Mm.
scraping. Then
Yeah, I
for
can. I can.
advanced level PDF, we need to connect after web scraping is done. But today, I just wanted to give
Okay.
you a few concept in date time. So if you are ready with it, that is
Mm.
very, very important for us to understand date time concept. So when
Mm-hmm.
you do the screen scraping, it might be requiring, most of the cases it is required. Have you ever
Mm-hmm.
tried to understand what date time, like you are having an integer type, data types, a float type means decimal type. You're having
Mm.
data table also. But have you ever encountered with date time?
Daytime, no.
Okay. So I just wanted to show you something. Okay,
You mean the data type?
yes.
Yes, I mean that we have used in the programming, no,
Mm-hmm.
but not in UiPath yet.
Just a minute. Okay. But we should be using this now. So I will be creating one activity for you, a variable, where we will be taking today's date, tomorrow's date, day after tomorrow's date, or day before tomorrow, day before yesterday's date. So, and we'll
Mm-hmm.
compare with our system date if it is greater than or if it is less than. Okay. It is
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
important to understand this date time concept. Okay. So
Okay.
from next class, like we will be starting with web scraping Excels. We will be going to Excel part. We'll be covering that,
Okay.
then we'll again come back with our PDF. Okay.
Okay.
So,
So we can take the class tomorrow in this case because this will be a
uh,
different topic. So I mean that we can take it tomorrow if you are
sure,
available.
sure. I will be taking tomorrow then. Sure.
Okay.
So I just want to create a date, today's date variable, so that please, while you don't understand anything, please stop me in middle. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm creating a variable as today date. Okay, it is a string type.
Mm-hmm.
So if I make it as now dot
Mm-hmm.
dot. Okay, now is a
Mm.
uh, class like directory dot get files. Directory was a class. So now is a
You
class.
you have started right now. I mean, how long will it take? I mean, roughly, because
15
I
to
might
20
have to leave
minutes.
now.
Just 10 to 15
Uh,
minutes.
yeah,
Nothing.
try to finish it in 10 to 15 minutes. Not more than that. No,
Okay.
because somebody is waiting for me. So I just want to finish it as soon as
Yeah,
possible.
sure. If it is okay, then we can continue this. I will forward you the XAML file. But it is you need to understand what date time is all about.
Yeah, I will get. I'll grasp it quickly because I have got
Sure,
some idea. No,
sure. I'm running
let me
this
see
and showing
something.
you what this date time is all about.
Okay. So in the first case, you have assigned the date,
Yes, now
and
dot
now
to
to
string
string. Now dot to string means now is the
means
function.
now is the class.
Okay, class.
We have not created any function yet. I'll give a message box
So
and I'll try
now,
to show you. It is giving
okay.
us today's date and the time in DDMMSS, means in
Okay.
HHMMSS, the time
Now,
will be
now
given.
class, you mean, and it
Yes,
will convert into string, right?
yes, correct.
Okay.
So now
So we have
class,
assigned it to a variable named today date.
yes, today date. Now dot to string.
Okay.
So I am just showing you the output again. If you miss this, I'll create a message box so that it will be easier for us to.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, today date.
Mm-hmm.
I'm running this. You try to see the difference only. That's it.
Okay.
It will give us in DDMMYY format, and in time will
Okay.
be HHMMSS format.
Okay.
See, you have to remember this
Mm.
output. The month is
Okay.
coming first, and the day is coming later.
Mm.
If you want to
Mm-hmm.
convert this day first and month, you have to create something. You have to do something for that.
We have to change the format, no?
Yes, we have to change the format. So how are we gonna
Mhm.
change this? System dot date time. Let me expand this. It will take more like 10 more 5 minutes. System dot
Okay, no
date time
problem.
dot now. Let us convert this sorry, dd
Mhm.
mmm caps.
Mhm.
Mmm. Why caps and why small, you have to understand. I'm giving two
Mhm.
Ys. So you have to do some
Mhm.
research here.
Mhm.
Okay, what is the error that is showing? Has no parameter. Let me convert this into date time, or else try to make this as now dot toString. You have to be familiar with the errors actually. So let us run this.
Mhm.
Just see the output and just see
Mhm.
how the difference we are getting now. We will be getting the month in like 16 Jan 23. That triple
Mhm.
capital M means Jan. Okay. And
So it will
YY,
give the month, a name of the month instead of,
name
I
of the
mean,
month.
the.
Yes. In
Okay.
most of the
Okay.
manufacturing sectors, it is required, they take this in month format. So it's okay.
Hmm.
So this 16
Yeah.
Jan, it's fine. Now you have to take in different format. I just want, suppose I don't want that a name to be coming. So what I can do is I will take with small
Mhm.
mm. Let us run. Did you see
Okay.
this? Okay. So you have to at least understand. You don't have to remember anything. Have to understand.
Mhm.
So if I
Okay.
want to take the system date, means what is the, see, if I want to take the system date, means whatever time, suppose you are in Pakistan, somebody is in US. So I just
Mhm.
want to take the system, if I connect to my RD machine, because we are dealing with US people only. Sorry, Portugal
Mhm.
people only. So Portugal people's time zone will be showing us, right? In that system.
Mhm.
So we will be having that system dot date time. That will be easier for us because we are working in production environment, right? So at that time, try
Mhm.
to use system dot date time. So it will pick your system date time. Correct? So
Mhm. Correct.
suppose I want to just another just a small project. So that
Mhm.
suppose I am taking an if statement, and
Mhm.
as it is a string format, I just want to
Mhm.
compare it. Hey, if today's date is greater than,
Mhm.
I mean, let us take as 10123.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
So please give me an output, something, just write a message box.
Mhm.
Let us see how it is working.
Mhm.
See? Okay, I
Mhm.
should give a breakpoint. It's correct only, right?
Mhm.
I'll give another breakpoint to just make you assure you. I think you missed it. I'll remove this message box and I'll keep only message box, and I'll give a breakpoint and run in debug mode. It will of course go into this else this if block only, because today's date is greater
Mhm.
than January 1 only. See, it is coming in this block. So sometimes what happened, you have to take the date from an Excel file and you have to check if it is greater than this date or the previous date. So like this you can give
Mhm.
the condition. That is what I wanted to tell you.
Mhm.
If you want to pick
Mhm.
yesterday's date, just
Mhm.
another 2 minutes. If you want to pick yesterday's date or day after your tomorrow's date, how you are going to use this? Let me pick one message box again.
Mhm.
Today date dot
Mhm.
or else now
Mhm.
dot add days, means today's date. I just want plus 2,
Mhm.
2 dot to string. Any as a any just I will run this workflow and let you know what it is the output. Whatever today's date, just plus 2.
Mhm. So it will work the, I mean, the arithmetic function in that?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, 1/18/2023. Correct? So
So
today's
we
is
can
16.
calculate the age and I mean that the number of days or anything like that.
Yes, yes, yes. So I will
Okay.
give you small projects about this, but you have to understand. Suppose I want to take day before yesterday's ka date, means 2 days
Mhm.
back, minus 2. That's
Mhm.
it. So
Mhm.
it's important concept, means date time concept. I just wanted to add this thing in our previous class, but I missed it. 114, but
Mhm.
today is it is 16. It is 114. It's correct only.
Mhm.
Suppose I don't want to see this HHMMSS format, I will just
Mhm.
short it. Like, I'll create another last message box for you.
Mhm.
Now, dot, you can see how these functions are coming. Just give like two short string or something like that.
Mhm.
Now let's run. This is 2 days back. See, it is not showing us
Mhm.
HHMMSS. But if I want to
Mhm.
see only the time, similarly, two
Mhm.
short time. That's it.
Mhm.
Simple thing. But I will give you 2 to 3 projects on this. But it is
Yeah,
important.
you
Like,
can. I will do it. I mean that you can send it to me. I will go through it. I mean
yeah.
that the other commands and details
Meanwhile,
and everything.
I will log in the system tomorrow morning because I am
Mhm.
having Python to explain in one of the team because we are building a project together. We all together. It is a very exciting
Okay.
project. So
Uh-huh.
at that time, I will be logging in tomorrow morning. I will be sending you all the XAML that we have created till date. Okay, so that you
That
can,
okay.
like, I will make separate zip files for that, so that whenever you
Mm-hmm.
are free, just go through the code. At least go see, even if you don't practice, but at least you can go through the code, right? You can understand the code. That is important. Okay,
Yeah,
what
that's important.
just do this and run this and see how this program is working. That is what I want to
Okay.
do. Okay, so then you just do some homework. Last time, whatever the thing that I have asked you to do, try to do it meanwhile. Then we'll go for our
Mm-hmm.
web scraping thing tomorrow. If it is okay
Mm-hmm.
for you, we'll go for web scraping. It will be an exciting session, I will tell you.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, great. I'll be looking forward to. So tomorrow I will join you.